We've seen great photos of the moon all our lives, and the more I get in closer to the surface, the more I see the reality. It looks more and more like Earth the closer we get, and there are structures on the surface. There are many, they are plentiful. But here's the thing, the wavelength and the way our eyes are made causes us to have trouble seeing structures on the surface. So when we look down at this area with all these structures, which is white, well, we see this, and it's even worse than this. It's completely bright, and we can't see the surface before it's clarified. And these mounds, like this here, is actually completely lit and white. This is Aristarchus crater. We don't usually see the craters. I mean, it's just so blinding. The one on the left we can get a glimpse of, but the one on the right, it's just this light that's over it. It looks like a hat, a white light. But the color of that light that we're seeing it white, but I believe it is not white. It's green or purple. They're producing something down there. It doesn't take it. Just using common sense, we know that for a fact. Aristarchus crater looks like a mining area. There's a square around it. The soil is different. The color of it is different. It actually looks lifted up. It looks like it's been moved, always constantly. Um, see blues, purples on the surface. And these specks, which are pretty big inside of the crater, why are they there? What are they? No matter what they are bright and they're reflecting back a light that we can't see. And they, inside of my telescope, when I look through it, I see a lot of purple lights inside of the crater. Now, these flat plains, underneath these flat plains, there are entrances. I assure you there are entrances. And it leads me to wonder, do you understand that these could be buildings? That inside of them are like bunkers, areas where anything like crafts, UFOs can hide inside of this very easily. And don't forget, when these crafts are traveling, they're traveling at light speed. When they take off at light speed. We can't see them. Our eyes can't witness them. This is why we're finding them. Look here. Do you notice how the dirt is added or some kind of soil on each area so that they're all communicating trails to be able to go up and down from them? You know, it's not just unnatural ridges when you see it. Do you notice that the craters are actually not holes? They're just basically flat surfaces with high ridges around them, built walls. You see the white here that's supposedly ejecta from the sun? Look, there's no sun on it at all. It's a material, it's a substance, it's built. Whatever it may be, it's built. I believe that the cities are on top of that because it makes sense that listen, guys, the structures are the same color as the supposed ejecta. So every year, no matter how many hundreds and or thousands of structures they will build on top of ejecta, I mean, it's the perfect hideout when you think of it. And not just hiding out, it's a perfect safety for them. But who are they? No, I mean, is it us that's up there? You see how the trails communicate to the top ledges up and down? And the entrances underneath, they are not just shadows. They really are entrances. course, never ruling anything out. These could be installations. And watch this. This object right here could be a structure. The flat plane, but look at the entrance there. The shadow is very wide, a couple miles wide. These are the website contributors, the ones who've generously donated to the Telescope Fund, which I will have up in the link of the description of this video. Thank you for taking the time to stop by. Welcome everyone. There's lots more coming, so stay tuned.